Okay, hi, good morning, everybody. Sorry, this is a little late today. I've been going live at 11. My name is Crispina French, and I am the captain of the Planetary Rescue Squad. And my whole mission in life is to spread creative, fun ways to enjoy ourselves without a whole lot of, environmental impact. So my goal is to we all throw around the word sustainability a lot, and for some reason that word just really rubs me the wrong way. Mainly because we don't live in any kind of way that would be construed as sustainable. But I do think it's a really good thing to aspire to. And I think if we put our heads together that we can probably come up with some really creative, fun ideas to help each other out and kind of inspire each other to we're telling your followers that you've started a live. Oh, cool. So if you're out there on Instagram or Facebook, first of all, I'm a little late today because I am so busy. This time of year is like crazy town for me, where it's I do about 70% of my retail sales in the last quarter of the year. So I don't know really what I was thinking when I was like, yeah, sure, I'll take on that going live at 11 every day for the busiest month of my year. But it's been really fun, actually, and I've been really enjoying it. So my goal with my live sessions is to help you guys and to also be inspired by your ideas to become really mindful in my consumption habits. And my goal is also to share some ideas about how you can get through your holiday season in a really sustainable way, where you can think about purchasing gifts for people or making gifts for people that are not mass produced, by thinking about not only the longevity of the product, but also about the process and the people involved in the process of making the product. So today I want to talk to you about, well, first of all, today's my birthday. And the coolest thing about my birthday is that I'm 54 today, and there was a full moon. Today's 12/12, so December 12th. And there was a full moon at 12:12 a.m. last night. And there's something special about 54. And I always get confused. I think it's Saturn return. It's the second Saturn return. So this year of my life is one that will be amazing and marked. And I don't know what's going on with my Instagram. But anyway, I'm going to continue on with Facebook because my Instagram just went off. Such a drag. So anyways, I'm over here on the Facebook, and I wanted to talk to you today about my elf hat. I love this hat, and I actually made it for my daughter Lucy last Christmas, and I made all the kids in my family one. Do you like it? Both of my nieces, all three of my kids, they all got one. So this hat, the yarn, when you knit it, it knits this beautiful gradation. And it's yarn that's made by my friend Tina Whitmore. And her company is called Freya Fiber. It's Freia Fiber. And she was based out in Emeryville, California for many years, and she recently has relocated to the Berkshires. And it's funny, I followed her online, and the sensibility of her color sense is just like phenomenal. The light in here is not the best, but I followed her for a long time, and then I had the pleasure of having her move to my neck of the woods and meeting her in person. And actually, she'll be selling at the Shindy this weekend. So if you're a knitter or a crocheter or a textile hat of any kind, check her stuff out. This is like a super bulky yarn, and I'm not like believe me, people think it's weird, but I learned how to knit like 2 years ago, and I could do this. And I could make a whole ton of them in short order, because of course I left it kind of late last year. So it's my elf hat. And I just wanted to apologize. Hey, Carolyn Grimaldi. Oh, thank you for saying happy birthday. Thank you for being out there. And oh, hi, Susan. Oh, cool. You guys are all there. Thank you for being with me today. And I'm sorry I got started late today. Like I started saying earlier, is that it's really busy this time of year, and today we're printing some super cute kitchen towels, and I showed them to you yesterday, and they're on the rack drying right now, but I showed you the first color. So tomorrow I'll show you the second color, and tomorrow we're going to be setting up for Michelle's phone is ringing. So tomorrow we're gonna be setting up for the shindy. So I'll probably be coming to you live from Pittsfield, Massachusetts on Melville Street, where the shindy will be held Saturday and Sunday from 10 to 5. So if you are anywhere in our area, come on by. It's going to be a really fun time. It's like a craft fair slash festival. Like there's food you can eat on site. There's all kinds of like performance kind of people involved. There's I'm not sure if Santa Claus is coming to town this year or not, but sometimes he does. So anyway, I have to get back to printing those kitchen towels. Sorry for the short day today, but and I also, if you were on Instagram and you caught like the first 5 seconds of this live and then my phone died, I'm so sorry. It's just more than I can figure out right now. So I will catch back with you tomorrow, and I'll see if I can figure out how to post this video onto Instagram later, so at least you get today's info, but it won't be live. So have a great day, everybody out there, and happy Thursday. See you tomorrow.